Hello everyone. Welcome to Infinity's new video on this interesting topic. Sensex at 63,000. Why should you be careful? We should be celebrating, right? Why is this video asking you to be careful? Firstly, why this video today? Some of the recent developments over the last few days. Mutual funds are launching fancy thematic products like defense funds, microcap index funds, and name it what kind of funds that are coming in. PMS companies are aggressively launching new small and mid cap products. Everybody is highlighting 30+%, 40+% returns in the last 3 years, which is again a one-off due to COVID and things. But anyways, they are highlighting that and asking people to put in fresh money. Brokers are advertising futures and option strategies. And last but not the least, I've started getting calls for people who want to put in lump sum monies, asking for stock ideas. All these with a short-term view because last few months have been very good. So all these are, you can say, sort of warning bells actually. Our understanding of the market, well, markets are more or less at fair value. They're not too cheap, definitely not very expensive as well. A small segment within the mid cap and small cap is starting to look overheated. So that's why that is drawing in more money. Outlook, near-term outlook is a bit of uncertainty and volatility due to global economic conditions, talk of recession in US and Europe, as well as the Indian elections, which are coming up in less than 8 to 10 months. In fact, we will go into election mode in 6 months and elections will be held possibly in April of next year. Whereas, what is the medium to long-term outlook? Actually looking very positive. Corporate profitability has been good and looking to improve going forward, except a possible hiccup due to these global events and Indian elections in the next few months. We are very, very positive. Over a 4-5 year view, looking at Sensex in 2027, very likely that we will have a 1 lakh Sensex. So to that extent, everything is pointing to a good, you can say, growth going forward. Though near term, we could have certain issues as such. So what is Infinity's views or advice for investors? Short-term investors, people with 1 to 2 years or some even lesser than that, don't be greedy. Gradually look to exit from the market and at least don't put in any serious money in the near term. Investors, long-term investors who are looking to invest, no fresh lump sum investments, only SIP and STP based investments. You have money ready. Even then, we are not going to advise you to put money into the markets as lump sum. Gradual investments over the next few months should be good. Of course, we will keep reviewing the market, so that is an ongoing process. Long-term investors, this is also an opportunity to look at asset allocation, and only if you're 90% plus in equity, look to rebalance. Otherwise, no real action required. And 1 lakh, that long-term capital gain exemption, which is available, we can gradually plan for over the next few days and weeks as the markets continue to do well. Traders, well, what can we say? This is a good party going on for the last couple of months. So enjoy the party while it lasts, but be ready to jump out as well because things can change. Overall, a quick summary. We're not bearish on the markets, but this is not the time to get adventurous into the market. No thematic exposure, small cap, mid cap, micro cap, whatnot. Be watchful. We're hopeful of seeing a new high soon. So this video is actually preempting that new high because things will start getting euphoric very soon. But we could get certain negative news flows as well, which could dampen sentiment, especially from a global macro factor and possibly monsoon, how it plays out in the near term. Because when markets are doing well, there can be small events which will trigger corrections, which can be sharp. Last but not the least, let's not get carried away with the current markets. So, as Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Right now, people are starting to get greedy. So, I'm just, you can say, highlighting that we will have to be more watchful at least, if not fearful. Thank you. Hope you liked our video. Do like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.